So this right here is more of the drainage that I was telling you guys about. What they're doing is they're trenching from the building, and they're going to put a downspout in there to funnel all the water away from the building. This prevents, pooling, shifting, all of that kind of stuff. So at all of our properties, every deal that we do, we always invest in drainage because we don't want to have any problems down the line. We want our cash flow to be cash flow. So, yeah.